What's up, YouTube? This is an unboxing video of a Husqvarna rear-wheel drive 22-inch self-propelled lawnmower, model number HU700H. Comes with a Honda GCV160 series engine. This is, spoiler alert, I already have peeked in the box, so not the official unboxing video, but here we go. Alright, as you can see, it pretty much comes full-blown assembled. Looks like I may just have to adjust the handle, put the oil in it, gas, a couple small things. Let's see what we got here. Bag. Oil. Okay, this is what she looks like out of the box. Fresh from the store. Lowe's, actually. Fresh lawnmower goodness. Okay, just trying to follow along with the instructions here. Looks like you don't have to attach any throttle cables or choke cables. This sucker has auto choke, which is pretty sweet. Go ahead and peel that off of there. Get this off the engine. Fresh. Beautiful. That's Honda. Can't go wrong with that. Alright. Oh, also, this thing has an auto wash feature. We attach this nozzle here. See how this works. Okay. And you can attach a water hose here and wash the underside of the deck out when you're finished mowing. That's pretty sweet. I've never seen that before. But then again, I haven't bought a lawnmower in a long time, so here we go. No oil in the engine. That means we need to fill it up with the pre-provided engine oil. HOP lawnmower motor oil. Hoping this is Honda brand. Nope, Husqvarna. No worries, should work. Okay, let's see here. Looks like this deck has about 8 levels. I've already adjusted it to the 6th level just because my grass is kind of high. Let's get a tag off of here. Okay, let's find the oil fill. Here we go. This is where you put in the oil. Cap's a little tight. Oh, it even comes with a little dipstick. Nice. Okay. And this engine is supposed to take a half a quart, which looks like what this is. Okay, let's go ahead and get some oil in this bad boy. Get my knife. Let's get this thing opened up. funnel for this. Nope. Just kidding. Let's check it and see if we're close. Probably not. I think it takes the whole bottle, but we'll check and see anyway. Let's get some gas in this bad boy. Alright, let's see. Ethanol free is the way to be. Looks like it runs pretty good. Now, let's get this yard mowed.